Hello! This video will show you the steps involved with enabling a custom enrollment form in the e-commerce shop using the e-commerce admin. As a warning, if the out-of-box setup for the enrollment form does not meet your company needs, it is recommended that custom development be performed by a developer familiar with AngularJS. Let's get started by logging in to the e-commerce admin. If you want to use the default form, you can link to it in the site navigation. The navigation page is the first page of the e-commerce admin, but you can also navigate to it from the Retail Shop Configuration tab. To add a link, click the Add Link button. The only required fields to complete in this pop-up are the link name and link URL fields. The other sections help to provide additional information and allow for deeper customizations to personalize the experience for your associates and their customers. Choose under which folder the application page will be nested. If you select No Parent Top-Level Link, the page will not be placed in a folder, but take its own place in the navigation bar. Name the application page with the name that you'd like to display in the e-commerce shop. Then add the link URL. With the application page, the relative path should be formatted like this. Configure the MFC options to your preference for the application page. It is suggested to turn off visibility to distributor associates, as they are already enrolled. Then, click the Publish toggle to publish immediately after saving, or you can publish later within the navigation list. Once complete, click the Save button. The added link appears in the navigation list, where it can be edited and deleted. Click and drag it to change the order it will appear in the navigation bar. The default enrollment form has the following strings that need to be added. In the enrollment form step 3, there is a tooltip that defines the SSN tax ID field. The string is, the suggested text value is, what is this? In the step 4 heading, you'll see the text, place annual fees here. The string is, the suggested text value is, your company's annual fee amount, or no annual fees. In step 5, each checkbox text can be customized to suit your needs. Here are the checkboxes strings in the order they appear. You'll need to add or edit the strings for each associate type. For type 2 and 3, just change the type number. For example, navigate to the Localization page under the Content Management section. Click the Add New button. In the pop-up, click the Select Application drop-down and select Retail. Enter the string name you wish to add in the key field. In the text value field, enter the text that will display in the e-commerce shop. Once complete, click the Save button. For changes to be visible now, click the Clear Cache button. As a note, some strings can take a while to take effect. Clearing your browser cache can be effective, or you can check back later when the system's cache clears automatically. Overriding the default enrollment form follows the same steps as with any custom page template. In the e-commerce admin, click the Custom Pages tab in the Advanced Customization section to be taken to the Custom Pages page. Click the Add New Pages button and select Page Template. This opens the Add Page Template pop-up window. In the pop-up, click the drop-down to select a template. You want to select the application page template. Then click the Create button. Assign a name for the template. Under the HTML tab, change the NG controller to a name of your choice. Add some testing text at the top of the code This will aid in discovering whether or not the page overrides successfully. Under the JavaScript tab, around line 22, replace ds_core_values.config with this. Around lines 23 and 24, change both instances of XYZ to application. Locate around line 49 this sequence, and change the end brackets around line 53 before .directive to these end brackets. Locate around line 966 the .controller, custom application control, and change custom application control to your ng controller name. The rest of the settings are multifaceted configuration, or MFC. These settings allow you to customize this feature in a variety of ways, such as customizing its display based on an associate's or customer's country, language, user type, status, rank, and if the customer is logged into their account. MFC can even customize a time limit of when the feature begins and ends, or have it always display. In some MFC options, the Custom Configurations field is visible. With this field, you can configure this feature to display by adding variable strings related to an associate's data. Click the Learn How tab to see a Help Center resource for help on how to write the syntax. Click the Publish toggle now to publish immediately after saving, or you can publish later within the Pages and Components list. Click the Save button. If there are no errors, then the pop-up will close and the page will be added to the Pages and Components list under the Page Templates tab. Test if the page is overriding correctly by opening your eCommerce shop and navigating to the page's URL. If you can see the testing text that you added, the page has been successfully overridden. Back in the Custom Pages admin page, under the Page Templates tab, click your page template name to expand the section. Then click the Edit icon to reopen the configuration pop-up. In the pop-up, you can now make any customizations to the HTML, JavaScript, and CSS code. You now know how to enable your own custom enrollment form using the eCommerce admin. For more in-depth videos, tutorials, and how-to guides, visit the Help Center at help.directscale.com. And thanks for watching.